So it's now 4:30. And the good thing is much less hotter, but the bad thing, there's a lot of traffic. Oh, quick update. I just went to the back street now because there's so much traffic on the main road. So what's up in my life? All good, almost all good. No, pretty much, you know, no major problem. Happy life, happy wife, happy life. I have a big trip coming up next month somewhere, not in the Philippines. So I think it'd be very interesting for you guys, Philippine viewer, to see my point of view as when I come to the Philippines. My point of view is different. So for me, it's, you know, it's much different. So now you're gonna see somewhere in Europe when it's much different too. It'd be good for you. It'll be only a week, but it should be nice. Where are we going? Oh, that NMAX is nice. Nice car though. I don't know, does he have any trouble with the LTO to register when you make a paint job or no? Maybe you should park on the side over there and just probably pick up someone, just saying. Anyway, so it's gonna be a big trouble. It will be very travel vlog will be up. Probably make 7 days, 7 or 10 days. I think it's 7 days we're going. So probably make a 7-day vlog kind of thing, daily vlog thing. Yeah, it should be good, should be funny. Very different from my usual content. So yeah, that's the good thing. The bad thing now, YouTube F me properly. So what happened is in February, so my UK is my account is in the UK. So if you're in the US, you need to make, or in Philippines, you need to make $100 minimum to get paid. In UK it's £60, which is a bit less than $100, but depending on the exchange rate basically. So it's not much, I know, but it's just for the principle. In February I get paid 30 something, or almost 30 pounds. In March, because of my there's an application on YouTube for the creator called YouTube Creator Studio, something like that. You got your estimated revenue, how much you make a month, how much view, how much subscriber you get, how much subscriber you lose, and each video how much you roughly made on each video basically. Usually you go 20 to 30 cents of a dollar. You know, it's not that high. If you're lucky you can get $1 per video, but if you're very lucky. So my neck is, so anyway, I was about $40+. So that was for March, $30+. I was happy. I told myself I keep this money, I just, because the money goes to UK and he needs to come back, so I just send the money to my brother, but then he will give it to me later. And then YouTube didn't change the amount of money I get in on the 15th, where is the 12th, between the 12th and the 15th of the month, and on 22nd you should get paid technically, and they didn't. So I keep sending email and they keep sending me that copy paste email which said it's just roughly estimate revenue on YouTube, the finalized one at the end of the month, and you receive it on the 15th of the month and you get paid on the 22nd, blah blah blah. And they sent me 3 times the same fucking email. So I got pissed off and I was like, look, you send me copy paste email, at least get someone to proper reply to me, you know. do I need to go to a network? That's what I told them, because you can go to network, but I think network is not better than YouTube. You probably stick to YouTube, it'll be better, to AdSense. So anyway, they replied to me and they said, you don't have enough money to send it to you. The last money you get is £31, and you should get 60 minimum. And I was like, well, you didn't pay me, that's why I don't have 60 minimum. But you should have paid me in March, you didn't. And now I'm waiting for the reply, but it's probably going to be no reply, and it's probably going to be like, you know, we basically F you 1 month, and yeah, that's it. So I'm waiting on the 10th, on the 15th of this month to see if they give me anything. If they don't, I'm gonna get very pissed off. But what can you do, you know? It's YouTube has some problem, you know, and that's the risk you take. It's not a lot of money, you know. I mean, I saw a comment from a guy on YouTube who said, because I was searching basically who has a problem, and that guy was showing YouTube the thing on a forum of YouTube, and he was saying, I made $4,500. So I don't know if it's true, but if it's true, I would be very pissed off. That's what I think my $45 that I didn't receive. I can forget about it. If I don't get it, I don't get it. But if I get paid every month now, you know, no problem as usual. If I receive a little bit every month, it's fine. But if I had like $4,500, I'd be very, very pissed off. No, I don't know if it's true. I'm not gonna go and check the guy's channel or anything. Don't really care. But yeah, it just fucked me a little bit. It's not too hard, you know. It's not money that I really expect in usual, but it always help a little bit. You know, I pay petrol, and then at the end of the year, I actually pay my insurance with it. You know, so it's not like I'm living off YouTube. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was a quick update. How many minutes is that? 7-minute update video. This is the way I love doing motovlog. You see, I was watching Baron van Gumble. If you don't know, check his channel. It's very hilarious guy. And I was watching Baron yesterday. One of the first videos that he made, and he was saying how, you know, there will always be someone else coming up and how do you call this, and be better than you anyway. So just keep on doing your things. That's what I love about motovlog. When you turn the camera, you just make a video, you say everything you have to say, and you don't have to edit anything. You just upload it. You know, easy, simple, very nice. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, this update. I'll see you later.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my